children, today we are going to start with chapter 10, that is tribal communities and their development. So in this chapter, we will study about the people, they lead a life in the world in its their own kind. So देखो सबकी अलग अलग लाइफ होती है, सिटी लाइफ अलग होती है, विलेज लाइफ अलग होती है. So let me tell about who are the tribal people. So more than 50 million of Indian जो हैं वो किसको बिलोंग करते हैं, डिफरेंट ट्राइब्स को, एंड दे डू नॉट ऑक्यूपाई अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया और द कंट्री बट दे आर स्कैटर्ड अक्रॉस द कंट्री. सो ट्राइब्स जो है इंडिया की, उनका अपना डिजायर्ड लाइफस्टाइल है, कस्टम है, बिलीव्स है. सम ऑफ द ट्राइब्स जो है वो एग्जिस्ट करती है इवन बिफोर द हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन. सो जो आपके ट्राइबल लोग हैं उनका अपना लाइफस्टाइल है, अपने कस्टम्स है, बिलीव्स है, एंड सम ऑफ द ट्राइब्स एग्जिस्टेड इवन बिलो हड़प्पन civilization. Let's learn about the tribes during the medieval period. So we have Akbarnama of Abdul Fazl, जो किसके बारे में बात करता है, tribes of medieval period. He describes many tribes in terms of their culture, custom and history. So in medieval times, the society थी, it was influenced by Varna system, which was based on the work that one did. So there are many kingdoms that adopted it, and what happened, the difference between different classes are widely visible everywhere. So we have some societies that remain out of its influence and settlements, and they are follower of rulers. They did not live in settlement society and they made their own rulers. Some communities को, in communities को क्या बोला जाता है, tribes बोला जाता है. So source of tribal history are mostly oral. They did not keep any written records. जो इनके custom है, culture है, they are passed down through generation. Who were tribal people? Tribal people कौन होते हैं? These are controlled and they lived in the 13th and 14th century. Later what happened? We have Gakkars become more important. Mundas and Santals were important tribes of Odisha and Bengal. We have Langhak and Arghun tribes, which is dominated the major region of Multan and Sindh. The Balchois were more another powerful tribe in northwest. In western Himalaya, we have Gaddis, जो आपके Sefer tribes थे. 12th century saw the emergence of what? Chiro tribe in the area of Bihar and Jharkhand. They were defeated by Mughals several times. We have Kaulis and Birars. What they did, they occupied region in Maharashtra, Highland and Karnataka. So later what happened, we have central and western India, the region which is now called Madhya Pradesh. And now life of nomads. Nomads are the people who do not have permanent residence. They move from one place to another to earn their livelihood. Many of them were pastoralists. मतलब वो एक roam करते थे from one place to another. Nomadic pastoralists moved from long distances with their animals. They lived on milk and other pastoral products. They also exchanged wool and ghee with settled agriculturalists for the grain, cloth, utensils, and other products. They bought and sold the goods as they moved from one place to another, transporting them on their animals. जो बंजारास थे, the most important traders थे nomads के, जिनको हम टंडा कहते हैं. We have अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, जिन्होंने क्या करा था, उन्होंने बंजारास को मतलब क्या करा था, they use the Banjaras to transport grain to the city market, right? Now, many pastoral tribes reared, sold animals, cattle and horses to the prosperous people. We have some mendicants that acted as a vendoring merchants. Now, tribal and their inclusion in society. Different tribes, they followed different occupation. कुछ nomads थे जो move from करते थे from one place to another, and some were hunter and gatherers. कुछ craftsmen थे, they were entertainers जिन्होंने earn करा by living or by performing activities. The requirement and demands जो थी society की वो raise कर रही थी with the time and the need of skilled workers. Carpenter, mason and smith was realized. Many tribes ये किसके part थी? They were the part of caste-based society. जातीज और small caste emerged. What happened? जो lower जातीज थी, they joined the ruling class. And what happened? Some tribes emerged to be powerful, and what they did, they established their kingdom. जैसे Gonds हो गई और Ahoms हो गई. They were, what were Gonds? They were Konda. एक तेलुगु word है Konda, उससे आपका नाम आता है Gond, which means hill. So hilly region was inhabited by the Gonds. They practiced septic cultivation. One of the largest and the most powerful popular tribal community जो central India की है. Right? Then they found इसमें आपके मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, ईस्टर्न महाराष्ट्र, नॉर्दर्न आंध्र प्रदेश, वेस्टर्न उड़ीसा, all were included. इनको हम गोंडवाना कहते हैं. There are several subgroups among the Gonds. They have mentioned what? Akbarnama. The history of Akbar began. Now, Gaunt state, it was ruled by Rajput dynasty. They ruled from 6th to 12th century. Gaunt kings were powerful as compared to other Hindu kings of neighboring kingdoms. The medieval concept of centralized administrative system was popular. With the Gaunts, the kingdom was divided into ghars. Right, each ghar was under the particular Gaunt clan. They were further divided into units of 84 villages, जिसे हम 84 कहते हैं. 84 village. इनको हमने सब डिवाइड करा into barhots. Each barhots were made up of 12 village. Gaunt chief जो थे, they were not satisfied with the tribal status of and what they want them to recognize as Rajputs. They married into Rajput's family. We have Amandas, Gaunt Raja of Grah Katanga, assumed the title of Sangram Saha. और जो उनके सन थे जिनका नाम था दलपत शाह, इन्होंने शादी करी जो प्रिंसेस जिसका नाम था दुर्गावती, जो डॉटर थी किसकी, सलबहान की. देन वी हैव चंडेला राजपूत राजा ऑफ महोबा. दलपत डाइड अर्ली एट दैट टाइम एंड हिज सन वीर नारायण जो कितने साल के थे, 5 साल के थे. वी हैव रानी दुर्गावती, शी वाज कैपेबल क्वीन एंड स्टार्टेड रूलिंग बिहाफ ऑफ हिज माइनर. क्योंकि जो उनका बेटा था ना वो छोटा था, तो उन्होंने क्या करा, उसके बिहाफ पे रूल करना स्टार्ट करा. तो मुगल जो सुजरारिटी थी बट शी रिफ्यूज्ड, और मुगल फोर्स अंडर असफ, जहां इन्होंने क्या करा, घर कटंगा पे अटैक करा. तो जो रानी दुर्गावती थी उनको डिफीट करा. She along with her son fought bravely and did not survive, and it was a wealthy state. And what happened, they all exported their elephant. Mughals were defeating the Gaunts. They gained many precious coins and elephants, and they all were weakened. और वो रिकवर भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे अपनी पास्ट स्ट्रेंथ और ग्लोरी से. Later, Marathas and Bundelas crushed their remaining power by 18th century. Afterwards, we have Ahoms. ये शहन ट्राइब थी उसके पार्ट में. They belonged to region of Assam, which was presently in the northeastern state. They migrated to Brahmaputra Valley, Assam from present-day Myanmar. They were tough warriors and they created a new state by suppressing the older political system of landlords. They annexed and defeated several tribes, जिसे हम कोच हाजो कहते हैं. They were defeated by Mughals, but Mughals could not maintain their control over Ahoms. ये control नहीं maintain कर पाए. So Ahom society जो clans और खेल्स में divided थी, which was controlled by several villages. It has different caste. और जो यहाँ पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था, इसने क्या शो करा, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ पावर. और जो अहोम्स थे, दे वर्शिप देयर ओन ट्राइबल गॉड, इन्होंने अपने ट्राइबल गॉड को वर्शिप करा. हिंदुइज्म वाज अडॉप्टेड बाय मेनी बट डिड नॉट गिव अप देयर ट्रेडिशनल बिलीफ. अहोम्स पैट्रोनाइज पोएट्स एंड स्कॉलर. वी हैव रुद्र सिंह. जो रुद्र सिंह थे, ही वाज द मोस्ट पावरफुल अहोम रूलर. एंड अहोम स्टेट जो थी वो किस पे डिपेंड थी, फोर्स लेबर पे. And they were called packs, and every village had to be sent packs in rotation. और जो population थी, it was managed by the shifting people from more populated village to less populated one. So what happens, Ahom society में जितने भी scholars थे, poets थे, उन्होंने importance मिली and they did important work of Sanskrit. उनको किसमें translate करा, local language में. Right, children? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.